I'm going to show you how to clean the filter here and clean out this GE dishwasher. First, we're going to want to take these racks out here. So this is how it looks on the inside here. Pretty simple, kind of self-explanatory here. And this is the model number here. And basically you just kind of go by how it looks here. So it says filter, pretty simple here, unlock, lock, and then it has where the arrows are supposed to end up at the end. So we're going to want to unlock it, so we'll turn it that way. Alright, so we got some stuff we can clean off here. If you continue to want to get more DIY home tutorials, go ahead and smash subscribe. And it has a filter on the inside, we'll unlock that as well. Here it just says basically unlock, you would turn it this way. And it kind of gives a click here. And then it just kind of comes out. And it's not too bad, but if there's stuff in like hair inside this, you would wash it off. You don't have to use any tools or anything. Usually we'll have to use a flathead or a screwdriver. Make sure this is all cleaned out here. And then last thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and clean the grate out here. I don't really see there's much gunk on it, but pretty simple here. This just goes back inside here. And you click it and it locks. Make sure it doesn't fall out. That just goes back in. And then the filter goes down all the way, and then turn it all the way that way. So clockwise until the arrows line up here, and it'll click. So pretty simple. One of the easiest filters I've cleaned on a dishwasher. If you continue to want to get more DIY home tutorials, go ahead and smash subscribe and check out the next video.